Love Indian food? Really? Check out how much do you actually know about it. Makke di roti and sarson da saag is a regional speciality of which state in India?
Punjab.
Sarson da saag is a popular vegetarian dish made from mustard greens and spices such as ginger and is usually served with makke di roti, which is an Indian bread made from corn flour. This dish is very popular not only in today's Punjab state but the whole pre-independence Punjab region, including states like Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Chandigarh, along with major part of today's Pakistan. Which of these is associated as a street food of Mumbai?
Vada pav.
Vada pav, the popular fast food item of Maharashtra, is also my favorite. It is very difficult to walk through the city of Mumbai without crossing a vada pav stall. Which of these items are you most likely to find in an Onam Sadhya?
Avial.
Onam Sadhya is a feast to celebrate the festival of Onam in Kerala. Avial is one of the essential dishes that is prepared on this occasion. Which of these desserts is not associated as a Bengali sweet?
Peta.
Rasgulla, Sandesh and Mishti Doi are all considered Bengali sweets, while Agra in Uttar Pradesh is most popular for peta. Legend has it the Emperor Shah Jahan used to feed petas to the workers constructing the Taj Mahal. But unfortunately, there is no proof to back this legend. Which of these is not associated as a Gujarati snack?
Samosa.
Fafda, khaman and dokla are all associated as Gujarati snacks, but samosa is popular across most parts of northern and central India without specifically being associated with any particular state or region. If you are eating poha jalebi for breakfast, which city are you in?
Indore.
Not only in Indore, but in most parts of Madhya Pradesh, your morning will begin with a plate of poha and jalebi at the nearest breakfast stall. Which of these is not considered a type of dosa?
Adai.
Though some consider adai to be a type of dosa, it is actually made from lentils, unlike dosa, which is mainly made from rice. Also, dosas are generally eaten with sambar and chutneys, while adai is usually eaten with avial. Bisibelabath is a regional speciality of which part of India?
Karnataka.
Bisibelabath is said to have originated in the Mysore Palace and then spread across to the rest of Karnataka. Known for its spicy taste, it is usually eaten with papad chips or bundi. In which city are you most likely to get Kubani ka meeta?
Hyderabad.
Kubani ka meeta is an extremely popular dessert in Hyderabad and can be found very commonly in weddings in Hyderabad. Undiyu is a regional speciality of which state of India?
Gujarat.
Undiyu is a seasonal dish prepared with winter vegetables in Gujarat. This is usually served with puris. How many did you get right? Remember, if you click like and subscribe, you are already a true foodie. Whether you find it tasty, spicy or just too hot to handle, you simply cannot ignore a good Indian dish. Thank you.